Hello and welcome to another tips and tricks. So for today we're going to learn about glyphs. So glyphs are actually the swash or the tail of each word that you wanted to put in. So you can use that at the end or at the beginning of your word. So where do we get the swash fonts? So all you have to do is to type in Google swash fonts. And swash fonts will automatically appear on your screen. So as you see here, there are a lot of suggestions for swash fonts, and they look beautiful. However, if you start to type in the word that you wanted to, for example, thankful, and you can see that the tail shortened or the swash went away. So how to use this? Well, let me show you how. Alright, so I've decided to use Coloretta as my font style. So just go ahead and click on this icon right here to download that font. Afterwards, you can open your Photoshop. Okay, so make sure that on the right side of your screen, you have your character window open and your glyph open. If in case you can't see that, all you have to do is go to your window tab right here, and then just click on that, click on your character, and also your glyphs. Okay, so let's start to type. Now let's type in the word thankful. Alright, so right now, we have the word thankful. Now I want to put a flourish or a tail on this letter N. So what we're going to do is to click on glyphs, and the glyphs will actually show here. So you have several options. You can also zoom in or zoom out this window so you can see all the options or more options. So let's look for letter L. And here it is. I choose this one. Okay, so there we have it. And let's choose another one. So let's put it in the beginning. And let's look for letter T. Here it is. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Now, say you don't have any skills for Photoshop. No problem. Let's use Word. So go ahead and open your Word. And then let's type again the word thankful. Alright. Now let's change our letter L. So all you have to do is just highlight the letter that you wanted to add a tail. Right click on it. Click on font. Go to the advanced tab. Click on stylistic set and choose one. As you can see, it started to change right here. And you can just go ahead and choose. There we go. And let's choose on the beginning as well. Let's do it. So again, right click, highlight, then right click, click on font, go to the advanced tab, go to the stylistic sets, and choose the tail that you want to. And that's it. It's very simple, very beginner friendly, and I hope you learned something today. Don't forget to like and share this video. Until next time, bye.